Newly published research shows steady growth in the cleaning, hygiene and waste industry. Hey guys, remember to head below to like, comment and subscribe for all the latest on our videos. The British Cleaning Council's BCC 2026 annual research report looks at a wide range of topics such as workforce size and characteristics, working hours and pay, and examines the sector's sub-industries and occupations, such as pest control officers and caretakers. The report shows the sector's contribution to the UK economy rose to £72 billion in 2023, up from £67.7 billion in 2022, and maintains its status as one of the top 10 industries in the UK. Facilities management is the largest contributor, accounting for 46% of industry turnover. Waste and resource management, 26%, cleaning activities, 18%, and landscape services, 10%, make up the remainder. The industry employs 1.51 million people, accounting for approximately 5% of the total UK workforce. The number of active businesses in the sector grew to 78,915 in 2025, with 83% of firms classified as micro-businesses, fewer than 10 employees. More than 99% of businesses are private firms. A sector strength was the launch of the UK Cleaning Career Development Zone, a one-stop online resource for training and professional growth. But the sector faces significant hurdles, including recruitment struggles and an aging workforce. A primary concern noted is the continued lack of formal recognition from the government. BCC Chair David Garcia said, "Our annual research report shows that the cleaning, hygiene and waste industry remains one of the biggest and most essential industries in the UK. I commend the report and urge you to contact us for a free digital copy." To learn more, read the full article in our feature category. Read more at TWinFM.com.